This is an update video on the Turbo Ductless air conditioner. And
just the fan on lowest. Jumps by probably 58, 56. Just keep jumping. 56.7.
now it does cool in here, but the noise is what is the thing that we don't like about it. It needs to be a little bit quieter. And in order to clean the filters, you got to take the whole assembly here off in the front in order to get to the filter to clean it.
The air conditioner's kicked on. See, it didn't make a difference in noise level.
If I was to, go doing correcting on them, that's what I would do. See if they can bring that noise level down and relocate where you can get in there easier and clean the filter. What do you guys say about it?
That's high speed. So noise don't change with the fan. The fan stays about the same noise all.
Yeah, the fan will stay on all the time. Now, heat-wise, it did have good.
Okay. Let's turn it off. Now we're going to turn it back on, but we're going to turn it on heat and show you the difference with the heat. Because with the heat,
the fan will shut on and off on it.
yeah, the heat just kicked on. So with the heat on, fan's the same. Let me turn it down. And our problem is, it sets right over the TV, so when that's running all the time, you got to turn the TV up. So
Yeah, we're going to turn the TV up pretty loud. But that's one of our main issues with it.
And see, the heat just kicked off. So when the heat kicks off, the blower kicks off. But when the heat kicks on, keep on here in a second, we'll get it all calibrated.
Yeah.
So that kicks on. But the thing I like about it is, you can stand here and feel it coming out, where it's heat or air. And you can come over here and feel it blowing out, heat or air.
Yeah.
The thing like I say is, when it reaches temperature and the heat kicks off, the fan kicks off.
And it'd be nice if you do that on the air conditioning part.
Yeah, if I did that on air conditioning part, I'd love it.
So, those are the things we recommend. They can, maybe see if they can correct that part. I don't know. Or the noise level.
See, the fan's kicked off now, so it's quiet. Now, hang on a minute. These buttons here. And see, these are supposed to stay hooked up there to hold it in, but it won't. So, you got to hold this, and this filter, you got to pop it off like that. And as you can see, it's a very little filter. And the same way we put it back in. It's got little pins that hooks on there, and there. And then you got to put this back up in here.
Yeah, that part would be nice if the filters were accessible from the sides and you just slide them out, clean them, slide them back in. I mean, the thing works amazing, keeps everything cool, but those are the points that we don't like about it.
And there you are, it's hooked back up. Fan kicked on.
It'd be nice if they can bring that noise level part of it down.
Kicked on, so there's no
Yeah.
difference in sound.
Yeah, there's no difference in the sound with the air conditioner on or off. That noise level stays the same. So that's our opinion of the Turbo Ductless air conditioner with a heater.